Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you why I love the KEURIG K-Cafe. If you like lattes and cappuccinos and a cup of coffee, this is a great coffee maker to get. I just made me a latte. I'm going to explain the machine to you and then I'm going to show you how to make a drink. So this looks like a standard KEURIG. We've got a handle here. This is where we put the K-cup in, and there's a needle on the top and the bottom that's going to pierce the K-cup. Here's our control panel up here. And on the right here, we got this built-in frother. This is the best part of this whole machine. It's the frother. You can wash this. There's no electrical current in this frothing part here. Now, you've got to wipe this area here, but it uses like magnetism to turn that little black thing in there to whip the coffee up, or whip the milk up. There's two lines in there, cappuccino and latte. We've got a latte and a cappuccino button, and we can do a cold latte or cappuccino. Up here, we've got a power button. You can pick, this will do just a standard coffee too. Okay, so let's say you want to make a standard coffee. You're going to press the coffee button first. See, you've got to pick which one you're going to do, a latte, a cappuccino, or a coffee. If I select coffee, I can do a 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounce coffee, and I can do a strong brew. If I pick latte, it's going to just do a shot. It's going to do a shot through a K-cup. It runs 2 ounces through a coffee K-cup to mimic an espresso shot. Some people call it a concentrated coffee, but it does give you a really strong coffee shot that goes very well with your latte and cappuccino. And over here, it's got a water tank that you can take on and off with a lid. It's got a removable drip tray, and I can put up to a 7-inch travel mug. Okay, so first let's froth the milk. Again, you got to have that little black whisk down there in the bottom. Just set this here. We're going to pour the milk in. I'm going to do it all the way up to the latte line. Those are very easy to see. Then you're just going to hit the latte button. When you press the button, it will heat the milk and froth it at the same time. And the frothing is automatic. It's going to beep at you when it gets up to temperature, about 150 degrees, and it's all frothed. Okay, so it beeped at us to let us know it's done. It pours in there really nice. We've got 2 layers. We got some milk foam and some hot milk at the bottom. Now you can take any coffee K-cup. I like to use these. These taste really, this is a dark roast. Now you can either just hit the shot button or hit the latte and then that. So you can either hit just the shot button. It's the same thing when you do latte, cappuccino, and the big K button, or if you hit the shot button and the K button. It's going to brew 2 ounces through that K cup to give you a concentrated coffee that is like an espresso shot. Pauses for just a second, and then it continues the brew. Let's check a temperature of the drink you end up with. About a 162. As you can see, there's the 3 different layers. And if you add a little bit of vanilla or a salted caramel syrup, these make great lattes and cappuccinos. Cleanup is very easy. You're just going to lift this handle. Be careful, these can be hot. You're going to grab the K-cup and you're ready for the next one. Let's brew a standard coffee now. So you can pick any coffee, any standard K-cup, just put it in. Pierces the top and the bottom. I like to brew mine on 8 ounce. I could do a strong brew if I wanted to. And then I'm just going to press the big K button. It starts brewing right away. In less than a minute, you'll have a cup of coffee. So the coffee coming out the bottom is about 185, 186. It keeps going up. 187. Okay, here's our standard cup of coffee. About a 168, 170 cup of coffee. And the coffee tastes really good from this machine. So the best part about the machine is the milk frother, how easy it is to clean up. Now I got a little bit of milk down in here. I got to wipe that out with a damp cloth. Don't get any water down in there. But I can put this in the dishwasher and it's just so easy to clean up. If you ever had a milk frother that has the electrical connection at the bottom, you can't submerge them in water or anything, but this, I can take it to the sink and get it all nice and clean. So here I've got the milk frother all cleaned up. Here's that whisk, and it just slides right on there. And when you want to take it off, just pops off. It's held in there with a little bit of magnetism. But the machine uses some kind of magnetism to spin that to create the froth and the foam. I really like the KEURIG K-Cafe, and I love that I bought this machine. Thanks everybody for watching.